going to see guided lofted cut. In last lecture we created this lofted cut. Now we will see what is guided lofted cut. So let's see. First delete this lofted curve, right click, delete. Yes. Now we delete this lofted cut, but there is some our previous geometry is there. We will use this geometry and we will see how to use lofted curve. So select right plane, sketch, select normal. Now select these all circles. First we will do one thing, hide this all plane. Right click and click here, hide. Now this circle is visible. Select normal and choose this all circle, hold shift key and select all the 4 circles together. And go to sketch and select convert entities. Now see, it is converted. Now select this all the lines with hold shift key and select for construction. Okay, we want to use for construction purpose, so select OK. Now again choose front plane. Okay, front plane already there. So now choose spline and draw the path, which path you want to use. Now exit from the spline. So this is the spline created. We will use this path as a path for lofted cutting. So exit from the plane. Now see. Now we will go to feature, select lofted cut. Now as normal job, select all the profiles. First profile, second profile, third profile. First clear this section and fourth profile. Delete. Fourth profile. Now this is our standard lofted curve, but we created one spline here to define the path of lofted curve. So this is the guided curve. Select this guided curve and select the path and select the spline. See, our shape is going to take this path. Click OK. Now see, it is cut. It is very clearly cut. So this is the chapter for guided lofted cut. How to use guided lofted cut feature to cut any shape in 3D model. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.